Hey, welcome to Jack's Treasures, where we're always looking for the meow factor. Today, Tracy and I got a couple boxes that we're going to do. Sorry we haven't had a lot of videos up, but we're literally trying to get our house in order, our eBaying in order, and everything else in order. So we really haven't had a lot of really cool stuff to look at. We got a box here that says China do not drop. Very fragile, and as you can tell, this is how the box came to us. So
I don't have a lot of high hopes here. It looks like it's been dropped and not treated very well.
At least it was crushed. This was a unit that we got the day or 3 or 4 days before Christmas, and we paid very little for the unit.
We've already made a ton off this unit.
All right, we got wrapped glass.
Doesn't look like flat
This is a
china.
vase.
Yep, looks like a vase. Might be a jewelry jar. That is exactly what it is. That's what I use for a jewelry jar. Jewelry jar is when I fill a jars full of low-priced or junk jewelry and put it in our antique booth.
This one looks like it's going to be going to wow, that's really packed.
That's good. That means it probably survived. It's probably, unless it's marked, also going to be a jewelry jar.
Not marked.
Usually those clear ones like that came from florists.
Here's another one.
This isn't what I would call china. I would have called these vases, but whatever.
Yeah. We didn't mark them.
No. Usually china, I think of like plates.
There you go.
Okay, that's pretty.
Gotta go in the booth. That's
It is
about $5.
probably also from a florist, but it's pretty. Somebody will just like that for the color.
Yeah.
If I had some fake flowers, I'll put those in there, make a little display.
This is something small. Maybe a serving ladle or something, or
A very small vase.
A flue, whatever they call these.
Right,
things.
a little champagne flute.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably just going to get well.
This is a small vase.
Jewelry jar.
Which she sells a lot of jewelry.
I do. That sounds broken.
This one?
Or there's something inside it.
It's not broken.
Okay, there's little,
Little rocks.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
Probably sell that just how it is in the booth.
Yeah. You can probably get about a good $3 or $4 out of that.
Yep, very cool.
Yeah.
Somebody will like that.
Yeah. And our booth is over at Treasure Hunt
Antique Mall, Powder Springs, Georgia.
Which we are going to be going to.
That is like
It's
a
glass.
little vase, kind of
Another very small
jewelry jar. I like to make small ones and big ones.
It's going to be well, let's go in Goodwill.
Yeah, that's very plain.
Definitely from a jeweler.
Florist, yep.
This is multiple items. So we got some salt and pepper
Maybe
shakers.
salt and pepper shakers. That would be my guess.
Yeah, mine too. Just hope they're cool. It's not salt and pepper shakers. A little antique keepsake thing.
That's really cool.
Got another one. And that looks like sterling on the top.
Either sterling or at least silver plated. Not marked that I can see. I'll have to double check it better, but those will probably sell in the booth. They're very cute. You could use them for like little pill jars or to keep rings in them.
What they are is pill jars. Vintage 1920s, maybe.
Yeah, let's see.
There's another
Oh,
one.
there's a bigger one.
Yeah, it's getting real set here.
Yeah, I'm not sure what they're actually for, but they're very cool. Maybe condiments?
Could be.
I have no idea.
Nope.
I'm not good at stuff like that. That is a... Okay, if those are the same pattern, it would make me think it's for condiments, but I don't necessarily think it is.
These right here are
Those are cool.
There.
Those are marked.
Very vintage.
925. That is sterling. Those I'll sell online because those are sterling silver. It's not thick sterling, but it is like a sterling overlay of glass. But still, I'm guessing, I don't know, $30 for those probably.
Hoping this is something and not a roll of paper. There we go. So oh, okay.
That is, it's plain, but it's cool. I like the little bubble in it. I'll probably put that in the booth once again with the fake flower in it if I can find one.
Yeah. All right, now we got some stuff that's bubble wrapped and wrapped in paper.
Well, I have to say this box is more interesting than I was expecting. When it said China, I thought it was just going to be a set of plates and bowls and stuff.
Yeah.
And
this is another, looks like flower vase, a small one, or a wine glass. Just hoping it's colored. Clear doesn't sell well.
generally not as well now. Oh, that's interesting.
It needs to be clean.
It does. It had a like a inlay in it, which is all chipped away. I'm probably just gonna wind up donating that, unfortunately. It was cool. It's just...
And we got some packing material.
Yes. We try to reuse as much of this stuff as we can.
Keep stuff out of landfills.
Yep. Because unfortunately we do have to toss a lot of things like old dirty mattresses and stuff. But when we can keep stuff like this out, that's beautiful.
I like that.
I do too. A little juice glass with like a silver plated design on it. Very cool. I'm hoping we have maybe at least one more.
Those are things right there that you can Google lens and might find.
May find the design name of it, which may mean that we wind up selling it online. If not, throw it in the booth.
Yeah, having a booth really helps out when you have stuff that is just cool but doesn't have value online.
Or you don't know the name of it. Because then people can see it in person. If I don't know the name of it and I can't sell it online because it's just a glass. Oh, that's beautiful. That's kind of the same type thing. It's got that inlay. That is beautiful. That one needs to be cleaned, but
yeah,
very pretty. Like I said, I'm a lot more excited about this box when we got into it than when we started.
This is another one of those glasses right there. It is. There we go.
Beautiful. Set of two is much better than one.
Alright, this is a set of something. You can feel it. Or it's a square. Like a soap dish.
That's what that's exactly what I was thinking it looked
like.
like.
Or butter dish.
Right.
Something,
or trinket
condiment
dish.
Yeah. Oh, and it goes with those.
Yep.
I wonder if that's a bathroom set.
Might be like for the bathroom, you have some little water glasses for rinsing and then a soap dish.
Okay, this one sounds like it might be broken. When I picked it up. No, it's got a lid.
Okay.
We'll say the stuff was very well packed. And putting it back in there, even though I hate putting stuff out of the box, it feels like it might be round. That goes with it too.
Oh.
And it's got a little spoon.
A little tiny spoon. Well, yeah, that's cute.
This is something.
I don't necessarily think that spoon was original to it.
Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it would go.
Doesn't match the same color of silver, but very pretty.
Yeah. You tell me if you want to switch and you open and I...
If you're tired, I could do that, but I'm perfectly fine doing this. This is perfect.
Another one of those. Another to go. Yep. And third.
All right,
so
now we need a fourth.
Drinking glasses. This might be it here.
You always want an even number.
No, there's something with a lid.
Or it's got little pieces inside.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
That's beautiful. I like that.
Stopper. And those things, I think all of this right here might like go together.
It's at least the same style, if not the same pattern.
Right. Antique-ish.
Yeah, I think that's beautiful.
Modern. Vintage. We need to go get this checked out. We'll go to our glass expert. He's right upstairs. Round. There's another one. It's just like those.
Little vase.
Yeah. Oh, my goodness me.
Like I said, I'm definitely liking this box a lot better than I expected.
This one is feels like a teacup. It's got a handle. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, it's a cream pitcher.
Yeah, look at this. What a beautiful set so far. Right, here's another one. This one they didn't wrap as well. Hopefully it's not broken or cracked.
Another juice glass. Yep.
It's another one. We got 4 now. I wonder if this is like a set. Because that's what it's looking like to me. Maybe with these for flowers or something like that.
Yeah, we'll definitely be turning Google Lens on this. See if we can figure out the pattern or the maker.
Feels like it's going to be a water, like a little water. Oh, it's a plate, a little cake plate.
Oh, that's so cute.
Let me flip this over this way. Yeah. Oh, it's a candle thing.
Oh, I liked it the other way. I liked having it and put a cupcake on top.
Here's another one. I'm not going to mention that one, but I can
Okay,
tell that.
yeah, two candle holders.
Yeah.
Even though I still like it the other way and put cupcakes on top. Because I like cupcakes.
Little cupcake trays.
Yes.
You know what they call them? Cake dish or something?
Yeah, I like a cake stand.
But here's another one. Another creamer.
Cool.
That one's got a little bit of a different,
More different.
More different design. It's round.
That almost looks like that would be a butter dish, but I can't feel it. Just the
It's one of
size.
those.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's one of those. So we're going to need to find another one now, which I know that older dining room china sets always came in 6 or 8. They
did usually come in bigger sets because people had bigger
larger
families.
families, yeah. All right, this one might be one because that's wider. It's not the same as the one over there. Oh, there's the top. Oh, it's broke.
Oh no.
Yeah. And there's, oh, the whole thing is broke. So that goes like this.
Oh yeah, that's just in pieces. We had our first casualty.
That's the tray right there.
Yep. Oh, that would have been beautiful.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, this is the serving pitcher.
Oh wow.
It's got a lot of weight to it. It is glass and it's that same design. Look at that.
Oh, that's beautiful.
For water.
There's no name on the bottom of that one, is there?
No, there's no name on any of these.
I just thought maybe the bigger piece would have had room.
Might be on the... So old they don't put names on it. Yeah. Give me 1 second for a minute and I'm going to put this on the floor. I don't want the paper to get in the way of any of the product because it might knock the product down and break it. And it's all glass.
As you can see, we're working outside today, so you can hear the birds tweeting. You can hear our neighbor, I think, having a new shed or garage or something put up out back. So you can hear the people working out back and all sorts of ambient noises.
Oh, wow. Maybe a sugar dish or something?
That would make sense with the creamers. Oh, look, another one of those little cup things.
Yeah. And then again, it's got a little bit of a different design, but the same look.
It's like it's maybe the same brand but different patterns.
It might be just that one of them is for pickles and another one is for radish.
I have no idea.
This one might be our second casualty.
Uh-oh.
Or it is.
Oh, that's
here we go.
That's a Wallace EPWM.
Yeah, and it's got a V
And
on
a number.
it. V numbered and everything like that. I wonder if these are for. This must be for something different.
Right.
And that might be for those. I don't know.
No clue.
Oh, I got another one. Another metal one, I think.
Oh, a different one.
Yeah. But those are definitely silver plate.
Yep. That one.
You can tell by the fading.
That one is also marked, but it is so small. I'm gonna have to. It does say something silver, made in Sweden. That's our buddy Eric doing lawns. Shout out to Eric.
Yep. Another creamer. I'm hoping we find some more of this because we have odd numbers now.
Well,
I mean,
those
look at
are
these right here. These are all the same.
they're different though. They all have a different
sizes.
pattern too.
And they're all different sizes. That
Yep.
one's bigger than that one, and that. And
They
that one's
may
a little
have all
smaller.
been purchased separately, not actually a set. You know what I mean?
I don't know, because they all seem to have the same type of inlay right here.
Right.
Making
We're
me
just
think
definitely
it's
gonna
just
have
one
to
of the same.
research all this.
Yeah. All right. Let's take a break for a minute so we
All right.
can put this stuff away.
And then we'll be back with our second box.
We'll be back with that one.
Be right back.
All right.